Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia and today we are going to talk about ordering food.
Hello everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Sophia, it is so nice to have you here today.
Thank you, Ryan. I am happy to be here.
So today we are talking about ordering food. This is a very important topic for beginners.
Yes, I agree. Everyone needs to eat. So everyone needs to know how to order food.
That is true. When you go to a restaurant or a cafe or even a fast food place, you need to speak English.
Yes, and sometimes it can be a little scary for beginners.
I understand, but today we will make it very easy.
Yes, after this episode, you will feel more confident.
So, Sophia, let me ask you first. Do you like eating out?
Oh yes, I love eating out. I eat at restaurants maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
Wow, that is a lot.
Yes, I love trying new food. What about you, Ryan?
I also love eating out. My favorite is going to a nice cafe on the weekend.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, I usually go with a friend or with my family.
I like that. Food is always better with good company.
I totally agree. Okay, everyone, let's get started with today's topic.
Yes, let's go.
So, Sophia, when you go to a restaurant, what is the first thing you do?
First, I walk in and I wait for the server to come.
Good. And what does the server usually say first?
The server usually says, "Hello, welcome. How many people are in your party?"
Oh, yes. That is a very common question.
Yes. Party here means your group. It does not mean a birthday party.
That is a great point. So if you are alone, you can say, "Just one, please."
Yes. And if you are with one other person, you say, "2 people, please."
Simple and easy.
Very easy.
And then the server takes you to a table.
Yes. The server says, "Please follow me," and they take you to your seat.
And then they give you the menu.
Yes. The menu is the list of all the food and drinks.
Right. And sometimes the server says, "Can I start you off with something to drink?"
Oh, yes. That is very common.
What does that mean exactly?
It means before you order your food, do you want a drink first?
I see. So you can say, "Yes, I would like some water, please."
Perfect. Water is always a safe and easy answer.
Or you can say, "Can I have a Coke, please?"
Yes, very simple.
Sophia, what do you usually drink when you eat out?
I usually drink water or juice. I do not drink soda very often.
That is healthy. I usually ask for water too.
Yes, it is easy to say and it is good for you.
Okay, so now we have our drinks. What happens next?
Next, the server gives you some time to look at the menu.
And then they come back and ask, "Are you ready to order?"
Yes, that is the key question.
Are you ready to order? Let's say that again. Are you ready to order?
And your answer can be, "Yes, I am ready." Or, "Can I have 1 more minute, please?"
Oh, that second answer is very useful.
Yes, sometimes you need more time to decide.
And it is very polite to say please.
Always say please. It makes you sound very polite and friendly.
I agree. Okay, so now we are ready to order. What do you say?
You can say, "I would like the chicken sandwich, please."
Good. Or you can say, "Can I have the pasta, please?"
Both are correct. Both are polite.
Let me ask you, Sophia, what is your favorite thing to order at a restaurant?
Oh, I love pasta. Any kind of pasta. Spaghetti, fettuccine, all of it.
Oh, really? Okay, everyone, let's stop for a moment and learn some important words and sentences.
Yes, this is very helpful for beginners.
So let's start with some key words. The first word is menu.
Menu. M-E-N-U. Menu.
The menu is the list of food and drinks at a restaurant. For example,
Can I see the menu, please?
good. The next word is order.
Order. O-R-D-E-R. Order.
To order means to ask for something at a restaurant.
For example, I would like to order a burger.
Great. Now let's talk about the phrase, "I would like."
Yes, this is very important.
I would like is a polite way to say I want.
We do not usually say I want in a restaurant. It sounds a little rude.
Yes, it is better to say I would like.
For example, do not say I want a pizza. Instead say I would like a pizza, please.
Much more polite.
Yes, and the short form is I'd like. I'd like a pizza, please.
Great. Let's practice. Sophia, pretend you are the server. Ask me what I want.
Sure. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Great choice. Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, can I have a glass of orange juice, please?
Of course. I'll be right back.
Perfect. That was a great example.
Yes. Did you notice we used I'd like and can I have?
Yes, both are polite and correct.
Can I have is also very common in everyday English.
Let's give more examples. Can I have the salad, please?
Can I have a cup of coffee, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Oh yes, that last one is very important.
The bill. When you finish your meal, you ask for the bill.
In American English, people sometimes say check instead of bill.
Yes. Can I have the check, please? Or can I have the bill, please? Both are correct.
Very good point. And what about if something is wrong with your food?
That is a good question. Sometimes the food is not right.
What do you say?
You can say, excuse me, I think there was a mistake with my order.
Very polite. Or you can say, I ordered the pasta, but this is a salad.
Simple and clear.
Always be polite. Do not be angry. Mistakes can happen.
That is great advice. Be polite and calm.
Yes, the server will usually fix the problem for you.
Good. Now,
Wait, before we continue, I want to ask our listeners something.
oh yes, good idea.
Everyone listening right now, what is your favorite food? What do you love to eat?
Please write your answer in the comments below. We would love to read them.
Yes, tell us. Is it pizza, sushi, noodles, tacos?
Whatever your favorite food is, please tell us.
We will try to read every comment.
And if you are enjoying this episode, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel.
Yes, thank you so much. Now, let's continue.
Okay, so Sophia, let's talk about different types of restaurants.
Oh yes, there are many types.
The first type is a fast food restaurant.
Yes, like McDonald's or Burger King or KFC.
Fast food is quick and usually cheap.
Yes, and you usually order at the counter, not at a table.
Right, you walk up to the counter and you order.
The cashier takes your order. The cashier is the person at the counter who takes your money.
And you pay first. Then you wait for your food.
Yes, at fast food restaurants, you usually pay before you eat.
That is different from a regular restaurant.
At a regular restaurant, you eat first and then you pay at the end.
Right, you ask for the bill after you finish eating.
That is a good thing to remember.
So at a fast food place, you might say, I'd like a cheeseburger and fries, please.
And the cashier might ask, would you like to make that a combo?
A combo. That is another useful word.
A combo is a set meal. It usually includes a main dish, a drink, and fries or a side.
Side means a small extra dish, like fries, salad, or soup.
So a combo is usually a good deal. You get more food for a lower price.
And you can say, yes, I would like the combo, please.
Or, no thank you, just the burger.
Easy.
Then the cashier might ask, what size drink do you want? Small, medium, or large?
And you say your size.
Medium, please.
Simple. What about cafes? Do you go to cafes often, Sophia?
Yes, I love cafes, especially in the morning.
What do you usually order at a cafe?
I usually order a latte and a croissant.
Oh, that sounds lovely.
Okay, everyone. Let me teach everyone some very useful short phrases now.
Yes, short phrases are very important. They are fast and easy to say.
The first one is excuse me.
Excuse me. We use this to get someone's attention politely.
Like, excuse me, can I order now?
Yes.
Very polite. The next phrase is no thank you. Use this when you do not want something. For example, the server asks, "Would you like dessert?" And you say, "No, thank you."
Simple and polite.
Another phrase is, "That's all for now, thank you." This means you do not want anything else at this moment. For example, the server asks, "Can I get you anything else?" And you say, "That's all for now, thank you." Perfect. And another very useful phrase is, "I'll have the same."
Oh, yes, I love this phrase.
It means you want the same thing as the person before you.
Like if you go to a restaurant with a friend and your friend orders a burger, you can say, "I'll have the same." So you do not have to explain everything. Just say, "I'll have the same." Very efficient. Great. Now let's talk about pronunciation for a moment. Oh yes, pronunciation is very important. The word menu. Many beginners say menu. Let's say it slowly. Menu. 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 The stress is on the first syllable. Menu. Good. The word restaurant. This one is a little tricky. Yes, many people say restaurant. 3 syllables. Restaurant. 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 Say it with me. Restaurant. Restaurant. Very good. Another tricky word is recommend. 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 The stress is on the last syllable. Recommend. Recommend. Can you recommend something for me? Great sentence. And the word delicious. Del-ish-us. Delicious. The stress is on the second syllable. Delicious. Delicious. This food is delicious. Very good. One more. The word vegetarian. Oh yes, vegetarian. Veg-a-terian. A vegetarian is a person who does not eat meat. So you can say, "I am vegetarian. Do you have any vegetarian?"
So, Sophia, let me ask you something fun. Tell me about a memorable meal you had.
Oh, a memorable meal. Let me think.
Take your time.
Okay, I remember one time I went to an Italian restaurant with my family.
Oh, nice. Tell me more.
It was my mother's birthday, so we went to a very nice restaurant.
How lovely.
The restaurant was very elegant. Beautiful decorations, soft music.
That sounds amazing.
I ordered the seafood pasta. It had shrimp, clams, and scallops.
Oh, wow. That sounds so delicious.
It was incredible. The sauce was so rich, and the pasta was perfectly cooked.
My mouth is watering again.
And for dessert, we had tiramisu. It is an Italian dessert.
I love tiramisu. It is creamy and sweet.
Yes, it was the perfect ending to a perfect meal.
What a wonderful memory.
Yes, good food with family is the best.
I completely agree. What about you, everyone listening? Do you have a favorite memory of a special meal?
Yes, think about it. A birthday dinner, a holiday meal, a first date at a restaurant?
Food connects us to our memories.
It really does.
Okay, let me share a funny story about ordering food.
Oh, I love funny stories.
One time, I was at a restaurant and I did not understand the menu very well.
Oh no, what happened?
The menu was in English, but there were many words I did not know.
I understand. That happens to many learners.
So I asked the server, "What is braised beef?"
Good, you asked. That is the right thing to do.
Yes. The server explained, braised means cooked slowly in liquid. It is very tender and soft.
Oh, that sounds wonderful.
And I said, "That sounds great. I'll have that."
And was it good?
It was amazing. One of the best dishes I ever had.
So asking questions is always a good idea.
Yes. Do not be afraid to ask. The server is there to help you.
That is a very important lesson.
Never feel embarrassed to ask. Everyone is a learner at some point.
Exactly. Asking questions shows that you want to learn and understand.
I like that perspective.
Always be curious.
Let's talk about something else. What about trying food? Okay, everyone. Let's do a quick review before we finish.
Yes, let's go over what we learned today.
First, when you enter a restaurant, the server might ask, "How many in your party?" And you say,
Just one, please. Or 2 people, please.
"Good." Second, when the server asks, "Are you ready to order?" you can say,
Yes, I'd like the pasta, please. Or can I have 1 more minute, please?
"Perfect." Third, instead of saying, "I want," we say,
I would like. Or I'd like. Or can I have?
Fourth, if you do not understand something on the menu, you can say,
Excuse me, what is this dish? Or what does this mean?
Fifth, when you finish eating and want to pay, you say,
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Or can I have the check, please?
"Excellent. That is a great summary."
And remember the describing words: delicious, fresh, spicy, mild, sweet, salty.
Very good. And the irregular verbs: eat, ate, drink, drank, have, had.
Perfect.
Now, let me give everyone a little homework.
Oh, yes, practice is the key to learning.
The homework is this: write a short conversation between a customer and a server.
Just 5 or 6 lines. Keep it simple.
Use the phrases we learned today. I'd like. Can I have? Excuse me. Post your conversation in the comments.
And we might even give you feedback. How does that sound? That sounds great. And one last question for everyone before we close. Yes, what is one dish that you want to try someday? A food you have never eaten?
Maybe something from another country, or something you have seen on TV.
Write it in the comments. It is a great way to practice writing in English.
And if you enjoyed this episode and you learned something today, please give us a like.
Every like helps other English learners find our channel.
And share this video with a friend who is also learning English.
Learning together is always more fun.
Okay, everyone, we are coming to the end of today's episode.
Yes, time really flies when we talk about food.
That is so true. I had so much fun today.
Me too. I really enjoyed our conversation today, Ryan.
I enjoyed it too, Sophia. You are a wonderful co-host.
Thank you.
And every